Hello everyone, welcome back to Baby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, traditional and modern as well. Otherwise, thank you so much for always tuning back to this channel. If at all you happen to come across this channel, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and browse also membership pack for this channel so that you can always join the family. For the returning viewers, thank you so much for always tuning back to this channel, and I appreciate you as well. Otherwise guys, today I'm back with this recipe. I just want to make for you some chicken breast, and I'm going to serve it with some English potatoes. So the chicken breast, I'm going to bake it, so keep tuned and let's do it together. So guys, these are the chicken breast that I have. I have at least 4 pieces here, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. So I have, this is yogurt, I have salt to give it a taste, I have dark soy, I have black pepper, I have paprika, I have some spring onions, I have the peppers, I have the red and the yellow peppers, I have mustard, and my potatoes, I'm still boiling them. I'm going to use some boiled potatoes, so keep tuned. I'll do the same for this. Making slits so that everything, all the spices and everything can get well inside here, and also to make it easy to cook. Every part of the chicken should be well cooked. These are my breast, chicken breast. So I have salt here now. I'm just going to apply salt to them. So keep tuned guys. After that guys, black pepper, meanwhile, as my chicken breast is still marinating, I have a pan here. I'm just going to heat some peppers here, the red and the yellow peppers that I just had. And remember, my potatoes are also boiling up. So I guess my oil is ready. I'm just going to add this spring onions. So here you can as well use red onions or white onions, whichever kind of onions you want, but just love the aroma of these spring onions, and that's why I've decided to use these spring onions. So the spring onions, the next, add in the peppers. So we just want to wither out so that they can easily be edible. So this is done, and now we are just going to take it out. put everything together. Make sure that everything is smashed. Yes. So what I'm going to do next is to add this, my bell peppers, my onions, and make sure every little oil which is there. This meal is very yummy, very nice. Please just try it out. View this video until the end and try it out. It's very, very tasty. So after doing this, guys, now we're going to further bake it. So I'll put it aside. So I'll just put it aside. Paprika, soy sauce, and a bit of lemon. If you have one, you want to use lemon, you can use lemon. So as you can see this mix. So what I'm going to do here, I have here my breast, chicken breast. I make sure I put everything here. So guys, try making this meal for your one visitors. They will love it, and never eat any chicken without doing this. preheated my oven, and now I'm just going to use the oil. I'm going to use this oil just to cover it. I've set it at 100 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. So keep tuned. So guys, keep tuned and see how my chicken breast is going to come out. My chicken breast is ready, and we are just going to open it and see. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can see how my chicken breast is, guys. Looking so appetizing. So let me just try and see. You can see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So nice, and my potatoes. Mm-hmm. I guess it's just too hot, but so nice, so sweet. Mm-hmm. 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 So guys, if you want to make the best chicken or chicken breast, use this method, especially for your special guest. They will really love and love it. Hmm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch this video until the end. It is quite easy to make, so much appetizing, so much tasty. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.